Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com, making this a small video as a midweek recap of my trades taken using Magic IB system. So let's get started. The week started Monday the 10th, December the 10th. So had a couple of trades on Monday. Usually Monday is very slow, but this week Monday and Tuesday were very busy. So this is one of the trade pound USD off of 20-minute chart, sell, and all the way gone, right? And over the weekend, like on Sunday, I did the webinar and I told everybody, all my subscribers, that pound is gonna get weaker and all pound pairs will be going down. So this is one of the pound pair. Then the next one you will see again a pound pair, and it also dropped exactly the same time because of the pound weakness. Just look how easy it was. I dropped here, there's another entry here, there's another entry here. The system gives you a lot of entries when you catch the move in the right direction. Another pound pair on the 10th, pound Aussie for 190 pips, right from the top here and all the way gone. And basically you can see that there was like a couple of orders here. Okay, because I was very sure, because Aussie dollar also was getting strong at the same time, and I had a very good chance of this thing is gonna drop big, and it did. So these are the few trades on the 10th, and then 11 was even better day. On the 10, by the way, pound Newsy also dropped big time, but I missed it. Basically I was busy on those three trades, so managing is another thing. So this one I didn't catch the drop, but in retracement, here's a nice trade to the top, 95 pips, right? And then on the 11th you're gonna see a lot of trades. So EUR-AUD on the 11th, again the Aussie is dollar start getting strong, and you can see here EUR-AUD coming down here, and then this is the first entry on, and the other account, other computer, I had this entry as well. See this one, and both the same day here. See this one, I let it go, but when I saw this one, and I made another entry from another account. We have to carry a few accounts here because first trade close first, kind of we have the law here, so I gotta play with that, right? Okay, so that's what happened here. And then pound Aussie on the 11th, big trade, a little bit of late entry here, but if you know that it's gonna drop a long way, then doesn't matter if 30-40 pip, even if you miss, doesn't matter. After that, you get it, and then you can catch. And this is 20-minute chart, but 40-minute chart tells you that how far it's gonna go, so it's easy, and then you can just take the entry. And the 11th here, these are the small trades that usually I don't even show, but here they are a part of my it's like folder. I add them in the folder, so small trades, but still something, right? So usually I don't even put these trades. I have like 3 of them. US pound CAD, you see from here to here, it's a small one. And then here another one, pound Newsy. Just this was my trade, right? And then I missed this one completely, and now this one, a small trade here. And usually what happens to these trades, either they make the turn, and then I close it like 25 pip, 30-40 pip, and those small trades you would not see me showing or posting on my website. At least I have to have like 70 pips, 80, 70, 80, 90, 100 or more. Then I'll post those trades. These small trades, either I close too early, or they just come back and take out my SL, so it's not even worth wasting time on these posting. So these are the trades, and then 12 completely blank, no trade whatsoever. In fact, couple of SL hit, so I lost probably like maybe 50 pip, but it doesn't matter. I had more than 500 pip already this week, so giving back 50 pip to the market, no big deal. The problem was the 30th of May, what's happening, and it was England and polling and election kind of thing, right? So market was very choppy all day long. Nothing happened. So maybe today, Thursday, and then Friday is all usually is a very slow day. So probably my week already ended. So let's see what happens. So this is how it is. If you like and you want to get a hold of this system and want to trade like this, just go on my website, subscribe, and be a part of the group and start trading like this. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.